Hey, how you doing, guys? It's Ilya Bella here. I record and stuff on YouTube. Check the description for all my information. I do all LeetCode problems. Um, Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give me a big thumbs up to support it. And this is called longest increasing subsequence. Given an unsorted array of integers, find the length of longest increasing subsequence. As you can see, like 2 3 7 101, therefore the length is 4. There may be more than one longest increasing subsequence combination. It's only necessary for you to return the length, and your algorithm should run in big O and square complexity. Follow up: could you do improve it to big O and log n time? uh, Complexity. Well, I'll show you two solutions. First, we will will solve this problem using dynamic programming. We will be using a tabulation method. Um, we kind of like create an array, and this array contains the results. We use the previous computations in order to get the final result. The time complexity for that solution will be big O n square, and then I'll show you how to do that using binary search. The time complexity for that solution will be big O and log n. Yeah, that's it. Let's start. First off, you check if nums um, equals to null, or just nums length equals to 0, you automatically return 0 because there is no increase in subsequence at all. You create an array, as I said, right off the bat. You say new int nums dot length, and you fill this array with ones because we say that each element initially has longest increasing subsequence of 1. And we say int count equals to 0 to count the longest increasing subsequence. That's pretty obvious. For int I equals to 0, I is less than nums dot length I plus plus, and for in j equals to 0, j is less than I and j plus plus. Then you check if nums at j is less than nums at I. That means we just found the increasing subsequence. So we say just array at I equals to math dot max at array I or array j plus 1. Because y plus 1, because suppose like I equals to 0 1 2 3, right? So array at this position will be 1. I mean the element at this position will be 1, and then like you are looping through this array like j like 0 2, and you check nums j 2 is less than 5. That's right. So array j initially 1 plus 1 will be 2, and you insert 2 at the third position of this array, of R, so at the third position that will be 2. That's it. And then you're just looping through, and you will be trying to find the longest subsequence, the longest increasing subsequence. And finally, you say count equals to math max count or array I, and you return count. Yeah, that's it. There we go. Submit. Nice, success. I'll show you how to solve this problem using binary search. You don't need this. You need to delete this, and you don't need this as well. So you got an array and you got count. You are looking through this array. You say int n nums, and you create index equals to arrays dot binary search. Binary search, and array 0 and count. It's kind of like exclusive, so you just say count and n, the element which you want to find. And in the case when the nums, like this array, doesn't contain n, this method, binary search, returns negative position of that element. The negative position at which that element would be inserted, right? So suppose we got something like 1, 2, right? So just something like this, and we wanna just insert like 1, 2, like 3, just whatever, and we want to like here, like 0, just whatever, and we wanna find the element like 4 in this array, and we say from 0, this will be the index 0, 1, 2, 3, like 4 and 5, and here we say we wanna search from 0, from this element to 0, right? Or just to 3, right? To 3. We wanna search to 3, like exclusive, right? So like here, like 1, 2, 3, and there is no an element, there is no 4 in here, so this method returns minus 4, and then in order to get the right position at this element at which this 4 would be inserted, you need to say +1, that will be -3, and then you need to put minus before, and that will be, the result will be 3. That's it. So you just say, you check if index is less than 0, that means there is no element into that array of nums. So you say index equals to minus index +1 and array at this position equals to n, and then if count, or just if index equals to count, you increment count by 1, and finally you return count. And this is the whole problem. You just need to know about this kind of trick, or just whatever, just in binary search method, you know. Yeah, let's run this code. Oh, of course, you need to comment this code, and you need to run this code. Of course, there we go, accepted, nice. Success, good. Thank you guys for watching. Leave your comments below, I want to know what you think, and see you next time. Have a beautiful day, bye.